Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome to another episode of my Junk Journal with Me series, where I am sharing with you how I use my junk journal, how I keep my memories in a creative way. And if you like journaling and if you like being creative, I would so much appreciate it if you took a second to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, as I have so much more to share with you and soon. So, today in my journal, I decided to make a little spread about some gorgeous happy mail that I received recently. Two amazing ladies sent me some goodies, so I got some beautiful Maggie Holmes paper and washi tape from Sue, and a bag full of lace from Neri, which I am so grateful for. And so I just wanted to make a spread where I would kind of use those items, but also like the main theme of the spread would be how much I love being a part of this generous, kind, inspiring community of creative people that we have here on YouTube and on Instagram, and how lucky I feel to be part of it. So, I am starting with, as always, I started with just looking for a page that I wanted to use. And because Neri sent me this gorgeous bag of laces, full of laces, I chose this particular page because it had like a lace design or a doily design up top, as you can see. And I'm using a page from Maggie Holmes' Flourish paper pack that was sent to me by Sue. And I just decided to make a little pocket that I would tip in between my pages, so as a sort of additional page. And I would put a note that I got from Sue into it, and it just kind of seems fitted that I got the papers from Sue and I made a pocket out of them, and in there I will keep her lovely note. So yeah, so I just made the easiest kind of pocket. You guys saw me make these types of pockets or envelopes in one of my videos that I will link for you, just in case you are looking for some easy ideas on how to make envelopes. And I like the tone look. If you've been with me for a while, you know I like the tone look. So I am just tearing the edges of the flap, the edges of the pocket of my envelope, and also I decided to use this piece that I cut from a linen printable from Johanna Clough's shop, and I just wanted this like lace or doily edge. I think it looks gorgeous on the flap of my envelope, and it kind of goes with the lace theme that I have going on here on this spread in my journal. So yeah, I've just taken a piece of it, I'm gluing it on my flap and gluing my envelope close, and I will be attaching my envelope between the pages using some washi tape. So here first I'm going through my ephemera holder that we made together in one of my videos, and I'm looking for a label where I just wanted to kind of write down, the date and who I received the Happy Mail items from, just to remember it and to have like a memory of it. So I'm flicking through my labels, but I'm actually going to stick with the one that I pulled out first, which often happens to me. I often like go with my first choice, but first I kind of have to go through all the other choices and decide they are not correct in this particular case. So now I'm using my date stamp, and I just got it from AliExpress and I really like it. It gives a nice vintage look, and I'm writing happy mail from Sue and Neri, and I'm also writing thank you because I'm really, really grateful, and I'm really blown away by the generosity of people. I I I don't know. I'm so grateful. So here you will see me attaching this pocket between my pages using this washi tape, and this is what I got from Sue as well. This is washi tape from Maggie Holmes's Flourish collection, and I actually I did not use glue right now with this washi tape, but I had to reinforce this whole thing, the whole washi tape with glue afterwards. So just mind you, sometimes washi tape is not the strongest, and especially when you have like something that you flip, back and forth, like I have this envelope, it just may be a good idea to reinforce it with just some glue or some piece of double-sided tape, for example. So I just put Sue's lovely note inside of the pocket, and I tore it sort of. I had this like page left from her note because her note was on the one page and the other pretty page was left blank. So I decided to just take it and use it later. And here on this right side, I am making a little sampler of laces. So I'm just taking little bits and pieces of these laces that Neri sent to me, and I'm going to be gluing them on my page to have a sort of like an overview of the beautiful trims that she sent me. And so even if they are gone, even if I've used all of them up, I can still remember the beautiful trims that she gifted me. So I think it's a really good idea. I like using, I like doing it with like fabrics that I love, laces, anything that, I'm likely to use up. And I just have a little like memory of them in my journal. So I'm just writing lace sampler and that it's a gift from Neri and up top there. And yeah, I really like it. It's kind of, it's a very nice texture, all of the slices. I didn't glue them completely, so you can kind of just move your hand around them and feel their textures. And yeah, I think it's lovely. So here on the left side, I have this paper bag, and it has a plastic sort of see-through front. So I decided to again tip it into my journal. Again, I will do it with washi tape, but first I'm just sticking this doily from Johanna Clough's shop inside so that you can see it, and it kind of covers up a little bit of the brown, and I think goes with the theme of the page. And I will put a tag into this pocket, but still, when you pull out the tag, I think it's nice to have just some interest in the background. And this is what this doily inside the pocket does. I also glued another doily on the back and another one on the page that I have here. This is a very nicely grungy coffee stained paper, and I left top and bottom of the page uncovered because I like how the coffee just spilled over this page and how the lace imprints are visible on the paper as well. So now this time I'm using glue stick with my washi tape first, and I'm again just tipping it onto my page like I did with an envelope. The only difference is I'm doing it on the edge of the page, so it will flip out and it won't be like another page in my journal like the pocket. So here is the other page from Sue's note that I talked about earlier. And I decided to make a little tag out of it. It's a beautiful vintagey looking page, and it has lines, so it's perfect for journaling. So I'm just cutting a tag shape out of it, just making sure it will fit into my paper bag here. And I decided to use some more of Neri's laces. And I'm kind of a hoarder, but on the other hand, I am really trying to use my supplies, and especially if it makes me happy, it made me really happy to use those pretty trims and those pretty laces. And so yeah, so I just did it, and I'm so happy that I will have them in my journal forever. So yeah, that's a good reminder. If you like something and it if using it makes you happy, don't hold it. Just use it and have it with you forever. So I decided to cover the whole tag with lace, with different trims, different widths, different colors. So I'm doing just that, cutting pieces of laces, trying to kind of differentiate between the widths and also the colors a little bit. And I'm not being too careful cutting them as of yet. I will be cutting off the excess later, and I'm using my wet glue and smooshing it with my finger so it does not sip through the lace, and then I'm just gluing the lace down. And after that, I will go all over this with my sewing machine. I have a very light blue thread, so I'm not sure it will be visible on the camera. I think you can see it a little bit. So I just did some simple zigzag stitch, kind of to hold down the laces and kind of to just add some more interest to it. And I'm just adding an eyelet. I have these nice flower eyelets from AliExpress, and I'm threading some organza ribbons. I really love. I've been really loving organza ribbons as of late, as you probably know if you've seen some of my previous videos. I got a bunch of them recently, and I love how delicate they look, and I love combining a few of them and making bows and making toppers for my tags and stuff. So yeah, definitely organza ribbons. And here's my little box of fussy cut flowers that I fussy cut from nature books, and I decided this paper bag needed something else, so I chose a yellow flower and a pink flower to go with the pocket from Maggie Holmes papers, and also with her washi tape. So yeah, I just think it looks nice. I'm also going to be adding some more of this washi tape to kind of tie everything together even more on the flower. Again, this time using glue with it. So yeah, just little pieces here and there. And I decided to further decorate the spread with some more stickers. So I have these like faux postage stamp stickers. Oh, here you can see this is just coming right off this washi tape, and I needed to use my glue to reinforce it. And it happened for all the washi tape that I used on this envelope, so not just this little piece. So anyway, I'm using those pretty faux postage stamps stickers that I got from AliExpress again, and to decorate the envelope. And for the spread on the left, I will be using some pretty delicate flower stickers that I love, and I got them on AliExpress too. They really have a nice selection of flower stickers and of stickers in general, but I mainly look for flowers and labels there. So just type in flower stickers, and you can find some really pretty ones, and these are gorgeous because they are clear and they are so delicate, and they actually look like real flowers. So I think, oh, that's not it. I thought I was done with decorating, but of course I have to add some tiny word stickers. So anyway, I will be journaling on the tag and also on the two doilies and on the coffee stained part of the coffee stained paper that's still visible here on the left hand side. And in this spread, I just journaled about how grateful I am that I had the courage to start sharing my creations on Instagram over a year ago, because I've been really scared to do so. But because I started, I kind of overcame my fear. Because I did that, I actually became part of this wonderful community. I made so many amazing friends. You guys are amazing. I am every day grateful to be part of it, and I'm just also writing how happy I am that I see every day, new Instagram accounts and new YouTube channels that creative people decide to share their creations and inspiration. And yeah, I hope our community keeps growing and that we keep inspiring each other. So I'm really lucky to be part of it, and I'm really happy to be part of it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some inspiration here. As you may know, I really love kind of interactive elements in my journals. So I always try to make some flips, pockets, envelopes, something that moves, something that you can take out, some different textures. And if you like this too, I hope that you enjoyed this spread and that you found something inspiring for yourself. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.